as a -6, 3/8 nominal size, -6 Japanese 30-degree flare parallel threads, or I think it's referred to as JIS also, right here, JISB standard. So we just identified this fitting as a -6 JIS fitting. So we identified this fitting as a JIS fitting, but then if you look right here, it says Komatsu style 30 degree. So this looks very similar to this fitting. This is 30 degree. So, but if you look here, -6 would be 3/8, but it's M18 by 125. So the difference, it's a slightly bigger, the M18 is slightly bigger than the 3/8. So that's another reason you'd really want this book, is some of these fittings are real close. So this